Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The man circling high overhead is a former U.S. national aerobatic champion, Red Bull Air Racer, and is one of the world's few aerobatic superstars. He's dedicated almost his entire life to extreme flying. The Pentagon Federal Credit Union presents to you, from Boston, Massachusetts, Michael Goulian. It just doesn't get any better than this. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think of Michael Goulian so far? PenFed Credit Union is a proud sponsor of Goulian Aerosports at air shows across North America. Since 1935, PenFed has provided some of the nation's best rates for loans, checking, and savings for our military communities and families. Now, everyone is eligible for great rates at PenFed. The sky's the limit in achieving your financial goals. Michael and PenFed want to thank you, the fans and participants of this incredible event that we're honored to take part in and support. All right, folks, looks like Michael's ready for the second half of the show. Okay, Mikey G, let's get it on! A series of snap rolls brings Michael back to show center. Continues to redefine what is possible in the air. His ability to push the has earned Michael the reputation of being a true professional in his field. He is one of only a select few to have received all three of the airshow industry's highest awards. Fans, and it's been my privilege to present to you Michael Goulian. Strong and use my head. performance and precision that Michael showed you today comes from his 30 years of intense training and competing in top-level regional, national, and global competitions. In fact, Michael has flown on 3 U.S. World Aerobatic teams and is a past U.S. National Aerobatic Champion. Only a few individuals have enjoyed the success that Michael has had in the air. And honored to be able to make a living flying aerial displays for incredible fans like you. Our team is only able to perform at the highest levels of the industry by partnering with very special companies. Wheelan Aerospace Technologies and Penn Fed Credit Union support Goulian Aerosports as co-primary partners. These two amazing companies allow Michael and his team to perform at an extensive schedule of air shows from coast to coast each summer. To keep his extra 330 SC running at its peak performance, Michael relies on champion engine components, Lycoming engines, Hartzell propellers, and Bose aviation headsets. Michael also flies from show to show in a Cirrus SR-22, the amazing general aviation plane with a parachute. The Cirrus life allows Michael to be reunited with his family most Sunday evenings following a grueling air show weekend. Ladies and gentlemen,